myself Vinod Kolekar. Okay, so today discuss about HTML. So first of all, what is HTML? The HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. It means you can use the HTML language and create various web pages like another languages like PHP. These are the also programming language we can design the web pages. Basically, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The HTML describes the structure of web page. So next, HTML consists a series of elements. It means like input elements, some text formatting elements. You can like creating some web pages like input elements. Okay. The HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. It means we can display the contents of web pages like for example student registration form, airline ticket bookings, which contents you want to display on a web page. The HTML elements are represented by the tags. For example, HTML like text formatting tags, physical tags, paragraph tags. These are the basically HTML tags. The HTML tags labels the piece of content such as heading, label, paragraph, table, and so on. Okay. The browser do not display the HTML tag but use them to the render content of the web page. It means which contents you want to display on a web page. You want to the so next HTML, that is a hypertext markup language. The HTML documents are simply the text documents with specific form. Documents comparison of content and markup tag. Content means actual the information being conveyed. Okay, which are the contents? For example, like suppose paragraph tag. You want to display the some messages. Okay, using paragraph tag like markup tag. Okay. The markup tags are tell the web browsers how to display the web pages. An HTML file can be created using simple text editor tool. Basically you can use a notepad or notepad plus plus. This is the basic text editor tool. You can write down the code of the basic structure of HTML, and these files you have to save must as a .htm or html. An HTML file must have an htm or HTML file extension. This is the HTML tags. The HTML tags are used to mark up HTMLs surrounded by the angle brackets. This is the angular brackets. This is the opening and closing angular bracket. The HTML tags normally comes in a pairs, like tag name, that is the start tag and end tag. Basically, every HTML tag has opening tag related to the closing tag. This tag is also called as paired tag or content. Okay. So next, HTML tags. Some tags like B tags for display as a bold letter, bold text. The I tags for define the italic text. H1 to H6, these are the heading levels tags. H1 is basically highest level of the heading tags, and H6 is the lowest level of the heading tags. Okay. So next, U tags. Basically, U tag is defined for the underline for the text. Next, small tag, it display a small text. Okay. Next, the big tag. Basically, big tag is used for the display the letter in big text. Okay. Some paragraph tag, HR tag. HR tag is display the horizontal ruled line in your web page. Basically, HR tag is a singular tag, not a opening related closing tag. And then also BR tag is also singular tag. BR tag is used for the break a line. Okay, line break करता है. So next, that is the tags attribute. All HTML elements can have the attributes The attributes provide the additional information about an element. The attributes are always specified in the start tag. The attributes usually comes in a name and value like pairs. Basically, you can use a tag. Okay. For example, you can use as a table tag, and table tag has a border. Border is the attributes of the table tags, like another name like border color. Okay. Cell padding, cell spacing. These are the attributes of the table tag. You can mention as a border value like 0, 1, 2. Okay. This is the simple example. You can use the tags attributes or the opening tag. Okay. So next, this is the basic structure of the HTML. It means the HTML tags. The always HTML page start with the HTML tag. Then next, opening to the head section. In the head section, you can give the title tag. Okay, using the title tag, that is the name, title of the page, end of the title tag. The next head, that is opening head related, that is the closing head. That is head tag is also paired tag. The next one, that is the body tag. Okay, opening the body tag, that is the body of the statement and body of the tags. Okay. The next one, that is a close the body. Okay, that is the close the body tag, and that is the last one, that is the close the HTML. This is the basic structure of a HTML. So next, this is the simple basic example related to the HTML. If you are running the Windows, that is a starter notepad. It means you can use a notepad, and in the notepad you can write down the simple code like this. This is the HTML section, HTML opening, head section, title, welcome of the first web page, end of the title tag, end of the head section, body, opening the body tag. This is my first home page, and including the BR tag for the break the line. Okay. The next output will be displayed by the automatically next line. The B tag basically used for the text will be displayed in bold letter. Okay. So close the body tag and close the HTML tag. Then now you can see the output. This is the output of the page. Okay. This is my first home page displayed, and this is this text is bold. This is the basic structure of HTML, and as well as this is a simple example of the HTML file. Okay. So thank you students once again.